In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Analytics data to Excel. By the end, you'll have a clean file you can open in Excel for deeper analysis, charts, or sharing with your team. First, open your Google Analytics account and make sure you're in the correct property and view for the site or app you want to analyze. Before you export, take a quick look at the date range and any filters you've applied. The export will mirror exactly what you see on the screen, so confirming the time frame and scope now will save you from redoing it later. Next, head to the left-hand side and click Reports. This takes you into the reporting workspace where your standard and custom reports live. From here, choose Traffic Acquisition. This report shows where your visitors are coming from: search, social, direct, referrals, and more, making it a great starting point for Excel-based analysis. You'll see key metrics like users, sessions, engagement, and conversions tied to each channel or source, which are perfect for pivot tables and trend comparisons in Excel. Once the report is on screen and the data looks right, look for the Download option, typically near the top right of the report. Click Download File. You'll see three export choices: Download PDF, Export to Google Sheets, and Download CSV. Here's how to decide. PDF gives you a quick visual snapshot for presentation purposes, but it's not editable. Export to Google Sheets is helpful if you collaborate online or plan to connect the data to other Google tools. For Excel specifically, choose Download CSV. A CSV is a plain text file that Excel opens natively, preserving rows and columns so you can sort, filter, and build formulas right away. After you download the CSV, it will appear in your browser's Downloads folder. The file name usually reflects the report and date range, so it's easy to identify. When you open it in Excel, you'll see the same columns you viewed in Google Analytics. If you notice very large numbers or long decimals, that's normal. Apply number formatting in Excel to make it easier to read. And remember, the exported data is exactly what you had on screen. If you need different channels, dates, or breakdowns, just adjust those in Google Analytics and export again. That's all it takes. Open your account, go to Reports, select Traffic Acquisition, click Download File, and pick the format that fits your needs: CSV for Excel, Sheets for collaboration, or PDF for a quick snapshot. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.